So this is close to what we need, but we need this image to be a bit smaller. We also need this submitted by admin to disappear, and we need to set a custom title at the top. We don't want it to say airspeed velocity t-shirt. In order to match the wireframes, I'm going to jump over to it, we need it to say about this product. So Display Suite actually gives us enough control to be able to do that. So if we jump back to the browser and we go back to edit this view mode, I'm going to go up to Structure, Content Types, Product, Manage Display, and then click Sidebar. At the bottom here we have a setting that says Layout for Product in Sidebar, and we can select the layout. And if we click here, we have a set of options. Now once Display Suite takes over the layout of this page, we have many more options available to us in terms of what fields we show. For example, we can't choose to hide the title up here. It's not even an option in the field listing, or the submitted by information. But both will become fields that we can toggle on and off simply by choosing a layout. If we don't want to use any special layout, we can just select one column and then scroll down and click Save. After we submit that, you see we have image and body up here like we did before, but then we have a number of disabled fields as well. Now I say fields, but they're really fields in the sense that they group together information. They're not fields in the sense that we can add and remove them using the Manage Fields section up here. So we now have submitted by disabled, and we have title disabled as well. So at this point, if we close this out and looked at our product in the review page, you'd see the title and the submitted by disappearing. We have the product reference label here, but we can turn that off. And then we have the content. So let's first remove this product reference label, which we can do by changing the display of the review. So here in Manage Display, under Product Reference, we want to set the label to be hidden. And then click Save. And if we scroll down, you'll see now we just have the title and the content.